Okay, kita sambung on our fourth tutorial. Okay, now we're gonna create our terrain ataupun we're gonna create our boundary lines atau or our what you call it, our topography. Okay, we want to add some slopes on our site. Okay, so first of all you have to do adalah go to your project browser. Okay, sebab all the topography kan kita dapat all the control lines ya, everything we have to do it on the site. Okay, so go to your project browser and then we're gonna double click on the site. Okay, so this is our site sekarang So we've done this one. Then now what we're gonna do is, but before that, okay, let's go to our entry level. Okay, we're gonna go to our entry level. Tapi as you can see here in mine, sebab the settings I think I cannot see anything. Kan, so if your case is same as like mine, yang mana ada tu, then it's fine. Tapi if it's like my case, kan, when I go to the entry level here, there's nothing here. So you go to your properties. Okay, we have to change some settings here. Okay, you go down a little bit. Then there's the underlay. Okay, range based level. Range dekat base level. So kita nak tukar. Okay, so I'm gonna change it into on lower level. Okay, so as soon as I click on the lower level, and then I can see some part of the lower levels punya structure ni lah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is, okay, let's say if you want to change it into foundation, then you're gonna see everything like this. Okay, pun boleh juga, it's up to you. Tapi if you follow on the tutorial, the document PDF tutorial, it's only until the lower level. Okay, so we're still gonna stick with that. Okay, then go to your 3D view up here. Okay, one is up here. Okay, then the other one you can go here at the view. Okay, ataupun you can just go to your 3D views here. Okay, so it's up to you. So I'm just gonna get this one, 3D view. Sorry. Okay, sekejap. Kita nak ni sebenarnya, I want to take a picture sebenarnya. Okay, so we have to just go back to our entry level. Okay, then go to here. Again, I want to get my camera. Okay, before we look at the final project, we go to the camera. Okay, then I'm just going to place my camera here. Okay, I'm just going to snap. Okay, so now I can see my bangunan dekat sini. Kan, but I cannot see the underneath here, so just click on this white tiny button and then just pull it down. Okay, so for the time being, this is what we have. Okay, so this is what we have. Right, then we're gonna have to rename it. Okay, so when you click here tadi, automatically, you're gonna go to your 3D view, then you're gonna see this plus sign. Okay, so you're gonna see there's one view, 3D view 1. So this is the view. Okay, I want you to rename it. Right click, rename it into to building. Okay, I'm just gonna rename it to building. Enter. Okay, that's it. Okay, kat situ dah selesai. Okay, so now we're gonna go deal with our site tadi. Okay, so now we're gonna go to our site. Okay, then we're gonna choose massing and site. Okay, choose massing and site. Okay, so everything here, usually kita memang akan buat dekat site lah. Okay, at our site, at our project browser, this is our site canvas, our drawing area. Okay, so when you've already chosen your site ni, okay, we're gonna choose on topo surface. Automatically, they akan place a point. Okay, so we're just gonna place some points. Okay, following your document, the PDF document tutorial, okay, at 150. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Negative 150. Okay, lepas tu you just pin mana-mana je. Okay, I'm gonna do here 1. Then I'm gonna add 4,000. Negative 4,000. Okay, here. Okay, then I'm gonna add on negative 4,300 dekat bahagian luar pula. Okay, now I have it. Okay, tapi if you refer to your tutorial, it has the contour lines. Betul. Okay, like mine, I cannot see juga my contour lines, but it's okay. Kita try to set. Okay, just click yes. Okay, then this is we're still at the masking side. You go to this tiny button, this tiny arrow. Okay, you click on that. Okay, if you can see here, contour lines display. Our contour lines ni, they display for every 5 meters. Okay, whereas um our side tadi ni, dia less than that. So just change it into 1 meter. Okay, 1000. So let's see what's gonna happen. I click apply and then okay. Then now you can see your contour lines. Okay, so that is how if you want to view your contour lines. But if you don't mind, then you don't have to turn it on. You can just biarkan je lah with the 5000 ataupun you can just turn it off. Okay, like this. Okay, you want to turn it off, then it's off here. Then when you apply, you won't see your lines. Kan? So if you want to activate it again, you click here and then you apply. Okay, done. Then you have the okay. Okay, let's say if you want a little spice. Okay, bolehlah letak the color. Alright, then we're done at that part. So now we're gonna make a building pad. Okay, for the building pad, still at the masking and side command. Okay, go to your building pad. Okay, so just take one. Okay, so your drawing tools, make sure that you're here, the boundary line. Okay, then choose this one, rectangle, because I'm just going to use the rectangle one. So I'm just going to click here. Okay, and then drag it up here. Okay, when you see the pink lines appear, then click on the green right. Okay, and then you escape double ataupun you modify. Okay, so you're out of your command. So now kita nak tengok apakah hasil from that thing tadi. Okay, so we're just gonna go to our 3D view here. Okay, so if you want to orbit, you can either use this one, your navigation box ni. Okay, this is one way. Okay, for you to navigate, ataupun you click on your shift keyboard shift button tadi, and then on your middle mouse. Okay, yang tengah tu. Okay, the scroll one, you just tekan, okay, shift and button, scroll button. Okay, so you can just orbit like that. Okay, kalau panning, kan, you just click on the middle mouse button. Okay, you can pan, tapi you nak orbit, shift dengan ni. Okay, so that is how you control it. Okay, then if you can see it from here, kan, so you know, the building pad yang kita buat tadi adalah this line. Okay, so this line tadi yang the building pad tu kan. Because kalau kita tak buat the building pad punya line tadi, then it's just gonna, all the tanah is just like gonna go inside. We can see it through our building. So that is why we created a building pad. Okay, let's make it a little bit more colored. Okay, so this is the contour line study. Okay, so if you can see from here, okay, so we have like a surface, like a little hilly side, macam ada sedikit ternaik kat sini lah, macam ada dia berbukit sikit. Okay, so this is your mana tadi, if you can see, this is your foundation kan. Okay, this is the ni tadi, wait, the foundation, if we want to just for the sake of the ni. Okay, so this is your foundation walls. How do you know? Kan kita dah buat foundation walls, how do you know? You can see it from here. Okay, so basic wall foundation. So we know, okay, inilah yang kita buat tadi, yang awal-awal tu. Okay, and then the second one, what is this wall? If you want to know what this wall is, so you just click, you go to your properties template, then you know, okay, so this is the retaining wall that I did just now. Kan? Okay, so this is the building apron tadi, the pad, the building pad, sorry. Okay, so this is the building pad. Alright, okay. Then don't forget to always save your project. Okay, so this topic we covered on how to create your terrain, okay, ataupun your contour lines tu lah, make some slopes on your site. Okay, see you on the next video. Thank you.